Hi guys, welcome back to Kendal SEAT. My name's Lewis, hope everybody's well. Just a quick introduction to ourselves. So we're part of the Cox Motor Group, which is one of the largest family run dealerships in the northwest. So up here in Kendal we've got the Honda dealership and the Automart site just over there. We've got the SEAT dealership just behind me. So move on to the car. We've got this lovely SEAT Ibiza FR finished in Desire Red. This is a 2019 plate and it's a 1 litre TSI manual version. Move on to some of the features. We've got the LED headlights up at the front. We've got the 17-inch dynamic silver alloys. Got the Nora black cloth interior with the FR detailing in the middle of the seats. So we've got LED tail lights. We've got the FR exterior styling with the 2 exhaust down at the bottom. This car has just come to us with one previous owner. It's been looked after very well. Move on to the interior. So we've got the 8-inch colour touchscreen in the middle, showing features like DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity. We've got full link as well, which is the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We've also got the SEAT drive profile, which is the highlighted button just next to the gear stick there. That lets you choose between a few different types of settings depending on what kind of journey you're on. We've also got the manual air conditioning. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox. Got the flat bottomed FR exclusive steering wheel with audio and trip computer controls on each side of it. We've got cruise control just there. As you can see on the dash, we've done 34,939 miles. We've got auto lights. And that Nora black cloth interior goes on through to the front seats with a red spot stitching around the outside of it. So that's just a couple of features on here along with a long list of others. If you are interested or if you want a bit more info, just get in touch with one of the team. You can give us a call on the number down below or you can drop us a message on our Facebook page. That's all guys, thank you very much. Bye for now.